How to see when a TikTok video was posted. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see when a TikTok video was posted, here is the process. First and foremost, launch your TikTok application and go to your profile. Click on your video and you will see on the bottom left corner your posted date. Tap on it and it will open comments. From here as well, you can check the posted date of your own video. For other users' videos, search for the user profile, scroll through their videos, and the posting date will be displayed just below each video. For that, you can even visit their profile and check on the videos. It will give you the date such as 1 day before, 6 days before, or the date if it is too long. However, the visibility of the posting date may vary depending on users' privacy settings. So if they have hidden this information, you won't be able to see it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.